Hey guys, if you're trying to play sound through your Acer monitor's built in speakers but audio is still coming from your computer or you can't hear anything, you're in the right place. Not every Acer monitor includes built in speakers, so the first thing to check is whether your model supports audio playback. If it does, the most common reasons for no sound are the wrong playback device being selected, the monitor volume being muted, or using a cable that doesn't carry audio. These are the steps you can try to fix this and use your Acer monitor speakers correctly. So let's get started. 1. Confirm your Acer monitor model has built-in speakers and connect it using HDMI or DisplayPort. 2. Open the monitor's on-screen display OSD menu and make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. 3. On your computer, open sound settings and set the Acer monitor or HDMI or DisplayPort audio as the default output. 4. Play a video or music file and adjust both the computer and monitor volume levels. 5. If there's still no sound, update your graphics or audio drivers and reconnect the display cable.